Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Patreon as a creator in 2026. So if you're trying to earn from your content, build a community, or just organize supporters better, this will walk you through everything step by step. First, sign up or log into Patreon. Once you're inside, switch to creator mode. This is what unlocks all the tools for building your page. Now set up your creator page. Add your profile picture, banner, and a short bio that explains what your content is about. Keep it clear so people instantly understand what you offer. Next, go to memberships and create your tiers. You can set different levels like basic, standard, and premium. Each tier should offer more value as the price increases. Now it's time to post content. Click Create Post and upload your video, image, or text update. This is what your supporters will see first, so make it engaging. After that, share your Patreon link on social media, YouTube, or anywhere your audience is active. The more visibility you get, the faster you grow. Next, check your earnings and analytics dashboard. This shows you how many members you have, how much you're earning, and what's performing best. And that's it. You now know how to use Patreon as a creator from setup to earning. Keep posting consistently, stay active with your community, and you'll grow over time. Hey everyone, welcome back.